I have seen a lot of people say that if you want to enable notes, if you want notes to appear on your Instagram account, that you have to switch to professional account, which is not true, because I created multiple accounts, new accounts, and they are not, as you can see here, guys, like they are not professional accounts. You can click on settings and you can see these accounts are not, like, I didn't switch my account from personal to professional. This is just a personal account, and I can leave a note. As you can see in the top left, I can see here leave a note. So a lot of people don't have that feature there. So here is exactly how you can get it. Now you want to go to your App Store or Play Store and update the app to the latest version. So if you already updated the app, just keep watching. I'm going to be showing you a few methods on how you can fix this problem. Now, for people who didn't update the app to the latest version, you want to search for Instagram, okay? Now, after you search for Instagram, you want to open your you want to click on Instagram, as you can see. Now it says for me open, but if you don't have the latest version, it will say update. Okay, you want to click on update and wait like a few seconds, and your Instagram account will be updated. Now you want to close your Instagram like this and wait like 1 minute and see if the not feature has been added to your account or not, and then check and see if not feature has been added there or not. Now, if the problem is not fixed yet, here is exactly how you can fix this 100%. And I have tried this multiple times and it does work, and Instagram will get back to you and you will say, okay, we have added not feature on your Instagram, stuff like that. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click 3 little lines in the top right of your account, 3 little lines there. Click it and then click settings. As you can see here, settings in the top, and as you can see here, guys, at the bottom it says here help. Okay, you want to click help. Now after you click help, guys, before we do the steps, I just want to let you know that you have to wait 24 hours before Instagram gets back to you, before they can add the not feature on your account. So you will have to wait 24 hours. When you send a message to Instagram, you will get back to you within 24 hours. So what you want to do, guys, you want to click the top option. It says the report a problem. You want to click on report a problem, and then you want to click on report a problem without shaking. It says here without shaking. Click it. Now after that, you want to click on don't include and continue, and after that you want to type here, hi, I don't have not feature on my Instagram account. Should just say that you don't have not feature on your Instagram, and Instagram, you will be so happy to add that not feature. The reason why you don't have it, it's because Instagram is still testing if people are going to like it or not, if people are going to engage with it. So just like I said, guys, just send a message to them and then click send in the top right, as it say here, send, and they will get back to you within 24 hours, and you will be so happy to add not feature to your Instagram account. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. I have done a lot of research about this, and this is the only solution that I have found to enable or to turn on not feature. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Leave a like. See you